I took a Coca-Cola image and a busy street image, combined them to create a great-looking design, and then turned it into a video. Then, I created a cold drink floating in the sky. I followed the same process to make even more videos like this. These kinds of product VFX marketing videos you must have seen all over social media these days. Brands use them to showcase their products in a very stylish and cinematic way. These videos go viral because they look premium, people love watching them, and they instantly grab attention. Now, if you want to create such product VFX marketing videos for your brand, or even if you want to make VFX videos for an agency, you'll have to learn heavy software like After Effects, Blender, or Cinema 4D. And honestly, that takes a lot of time. Even after learning, when you start creating these videos, it can take you 8 to 10, 12 hours just to finish one project. And to render them smoothly, you'll need a high-end PC or laptop. But as I mentioned, I created these videos in just 5 minutes without using a high-end PC, without any VFX or video editing skills. All I used was AI and a few simple tricks. If you've ever wanted to make eye-catching product VFX marketing videos that look professional but thought it's too difficult, don't worry. In this video tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create them, without needing any special skills. First, you'll need your product image and a good background image. Make sure both images are detailed and high resolution. Now go to ChatGPT. The Pro version works best, but you can also use the regular version until it's available in Pro. Now click on the plus icon and upload the background image first, then upload your product image. After that, add this prompt. This prompt is designed to combine both images and turn them into a polished product image. You'll find the full prompt in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Once everything is set, click on Generate and wait a few seconds, your image will be ready. And here's the final result. You can see how seamlessly the product blends with the background. It looks professional and eye-catching. Once you're happy with it, just go ahead and download the image. Now, we'll turn this image into a product VFX marketing video. I'm using VEO3, a video generator powered by Google. You can use Gemini with VEO3 to create the video, or you can use Flux if you prefer. Now go to Gemini. In the prompt box, click the plus icon and upload the image you generated using ChatGPT. Next, select VEO3 as your video generator. Then add this prompt specifically created for this video. You can use it for a drinking product video, and I've shared more prompts for different products in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Now click Generate, and in just a few moments, your video will be ready. If you don't have VEO3, you can use other AI video generators like Halu AI, Kling AI, Pixverse AI, Runway, TopView, Blender AI, and many more. Using the same method, I've created more videos. All you need to do is change the video prompt for each new product. The prompt is the key. It's what makes your video stand out. Here's another example. I used a burger image with a street background. Then, I followed the same process, uploaded the images, and created the final product using VEO3.